Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Now today's session we discuss what we need to learn in the data analyst. In this video we discuss the complete roadmap of our data analytics journey. This is one of the most dynamic field now in these days. To learn data analytics, firstly we need to understand the basic mathematical concept and statistics just like mean, median, mode, correlation, probability, standard deviation and hypothesis testing. After completing this basic segment, you need to move on the tool. One of the first and finest tool, there's a Microsoft Excel in which you learn some advanced functions, VLOOKUP, XLOOKUP, pivot table, dashboard creation, conditional formatting, and how we clean the data during the data analyst segment. After completing the MS Excel, you must learn about the MySQL, which is database management system, in which we need to learn the CRUD operation, create, retrieve, update, and delete. As well as we need to know about the select command, how we can use the group by, how we can use the subqueries, Windows function, and so many things. After that, you have to complete the next segment, the Python programming language, or either you can also learn the R language. Python is basically used for the data manipulation, then data cleaning, data transformation, and making sub data frames. Including the basic Python, you have to learn the pandas library, matplotlib, and seaborn. Now, our next segment, you have to prepare the data visualization tool, which is a Power BI, Tableau, which is optional, as well as you have to learn the KPI reporting. In this segment, you have to maintain the interactive reports, dashboard, measures, and also you can apply the DAX query. Finally, then we need to learn the statistics concept, correlation, regression, distribution, A/B testing, which is basically need to understand how the data is spread in our data set, how much it is a continuous, how much it is a differentiated or disturbed. After this, completing entire segment, you made a real world project that which can be a sales dashboard, HR analytics board, financial dashboard, COVID data analysis, just like some kind of example. Then you can maintain your portfolio on the GitHub, LinkedIn profiles, and other project documentations, resume. Next, we need to prepare the interview. Most of the time, the interviewer asks about the questions from the most probably SQL interview questions, Excel, Python coding. All these questions are based on the scenario. So you have to learn and you have to understand what exactly the interviewer want to ask and what we need to apply and which tool we can use. So these are the summarized way. The month 1 will cover the Excel, the statistics, SQL, beginner to advanced, Python, Power BI, Tableau dashboard, project, resume, interview preparation. All these are 6-month journey of your data analytics tools. Now the tools are required for this segment: MS Excel, SQL, Python, NumPy and Pandas library, Power BI, Tableau, Git and GitHub. These are the few segments that the interviewer want to ask. We need to know the data cleaning, SQL query, data dashboard creation, statistical analysis, business problem solving, communication, and presentation skills are required. So these are the data analytics roadmap. You have to join our segment to learn data analyst course. For this video, if you like this video, you can like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you.